In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display an estimated delivery date on your Shopify product page. This is a great way to improve customer trust by letting shoppers know when their orders are expected to arrive. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside your dashboard, click on Settings at the bottom left corner. Next, select Apps and Sales Channels. Now click on Shopify App Store to open the app marketplace. In the search bar, type Estimated Delivery Date and search for the app called Estimated Delivery Date ETA. Once you find the app, click on it to open the details page. Now click Install and follow the prompts to add the app to your Shopify store. After the installation is complete, go back to your Shopify admin and open the Estimated Delivery Date app from your app section. Inside the app, click on Rules Setup. Here you can decide whether you want the estimated delivery date to appear on all products or only specific products. If you want it displayed store-wide, select All Products. Next, move to the Next Setup section and create a name for your delivery rule. This helps you organize different shipping rules more easily. Now, enter the minimum and maximum preparation days. This is the time needed before the order ships. After that, set the minimum and maximum delivery days, which tells customers how long shipping may take. You can also customize the delivery message text so it matches your brand style and tone. If your app plan supports advanced settings, you can further customize delivery rules based on country, product type, or shipping conditions. Before finishing, make sure the rule status is turned on and marked as active. Finally, click Save to apply your changes. Now, visit one of your product pages and you should see the estimated delivery date displayed for customers. And that's it. You've successfully added estimated delivery dates to your Shopify product pages, helping improve transparency and customer confidence. Thanks for watching and happy selling on Shopify.